And special thanks to my friends at this company who are nice enough to send me this electric screwdriver set. Nothing to really show you around the box. Let's just open it up. And so this is like the instruction manual and stuff. Okay. Got a little cloth there. Very nice. Instruction manual. Mobile phone repair tool screw memory mat. Okay. So this is like dry erasable. Very cool. Now, that's the included USB-C cable to charge it. Love that that's included. Now, nicely sealed with the TanSon logo on it. Got a nice little open flap there. Look at that. Oh, wow. Dang. So this tells us everything that's in here. 160 in one. We got some opening picks, suction cups. This is great for repairing a cell phone. This is like everything you need for that. Wow, very nice. All of these options. I can probably get into anything at this. This is accessories. Wow, yeah, there's little picks, some SIM tray tools there. Wow, very, very cool. Everything that you would absolutely need. Wow. So the USB-C port is on the bottom. And for example, if I was to take one of these, slide into here, I can then turn it on and use it. And that turns it off. So there's no real on or off button. This kind of puts it into a higher speed mode. Going down seems to be a lower speed mode. Hear that? Versus that. There's also a middle. Yeah, that seems to be highest. All right, but that's essentially what it looks like. And I mean, you can see here, you can see all of the different labelings in there. T1, T2, T3, you got J's, you got H15s. I mean, this has triangle 2.0. This has screws and stuff in it that I never even knew existed. So this has everything you would need. It has a 160 in one piece rechargeable screwdriver toolkit that is perfect for mobile phone repair. And while this kind of controls the speed here, and this is the forward and backwards, this button here is a light. Can't freaking beat that. That will essentially do it for this unboxing video. Thanks again to TanSon, who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you everything that comes inside of this great kit. And that should do it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.